Hello ladies and gentlemen, in this tutorial I'm gonna tell you how to get rid of this lpm dash offers.com pop-up windows. Basically these pop-ups, if they appear regularly in your computer, they are the trace of some adware to be currently active in your computer. And by the way, these alerts may attack both Mac and Windows operating systems and their browsers. Probably there is nothing wrong with playing online games if it's your personal decision. But the problem is that many computer users currently see these lpm-offers.com pop-ups without their intention to play such games. So you might be doing some your important work using your computer, PC or Mac, and then suddenly these pop-ups will start disturbing your attention greatly. So actually, as I have said already, these pop-ups are caused by adware that has hijacked your browser, either it is Windows or Mac browser. So what you should do is you should first of all try to get rid of the adware in a manual way. For this purpose you may go to the control panel of your Windows computer and then uninstall suspicious software. Or if you use Mac, you may go to the applications area of your Mac and find some suspicious programs over here, if you find them, and move them to trash. But the trouble is that currently there is some adware that is attacking both Windows and Mac computers, and this adware might be concealed deeply in the system. So in this case you might not find this adware to be mentioned in the list of all available programs. So what you should do is I recommend you to scan your system. If you use a PC, I recommend you to scan your Windows computer with GridinSoft Anti-Malware by going to the link download removal-tool systemtips.net/download-removal-tool. Here's the link to download the Windows cleaner, and I recommend you to use Combo Cleaner for Mac to clean your Mac from all possible adware that might be currently installed in your computer. So this is the best solution so far to fix your Mac or Windows computer from adware and thus get rid of these lpm-offers.com pop-up windows. And this will also protect your system from all further virus intrusion attempts. Thanks for your attention, and please share this video if it has been helpful to you. Bye.